So hello students, now let us look at some miscellaneous questions in the chapter of quadratic equations. Okay, so first question, you're asked to check whether 3 is a root of this equation or not. Whatever be the equation, if you're asked to check whether a particular value is a root of a equation or not, you just need to do the substitution. Substitute करके देखिए, satisfy कर रहा है तो root है, satisfy नहीं कर रहा है तो not a root है. So root of x equal to 3 put कर लीजिए x के प्लेस में. So 9 minus 12 plus 3 plus root of 9 minus 9 is equal to root of 4x square. 4 into 9 is 36 minus 14 into 3 is 42, or 14 into 3 is 42 plus 16. Right? This implies 9 plus 3, 12 minus 12, 0 plus 0 is equal to square root of, this is 52 minus 42 is 10. This implies 0 is equal to root 10, which is false. Which is false. Hence, 3 is not a root. Simple लग रहा है? Because the value of the variable have not satisfied the equation, hence it is not a root. So next question. एक equation दिया गया है. You're asked to solve this. You're asked to solve this quadratic. Now that you know all the methods, so you can use any of the method that you want. So क्या कौन सा मेथड यूज करेंगे? दोनों मेथड से करता हूं. एक मिल्टन फैक्टराइजेशन, दूसरा श्रीधराचार्यस फॉर्मूला और क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला. ओके, सो मिल्टन स्प्लिटिंग अगर करना है तो एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4x पहला देखेंगे मिल्टन स्प्लिटिंग हो सकता है क्या नहीं. नाउ a स्क्वायर प्लस 2a माइनस 3 को अगर आप स्प्लिट किया तो so you will find that it is a plus 3 into a minus 1. शायद देखिए a plus 3 into a minus 1 कितना है? a square plus 3a minus a is 2a minus 3. क्लियर है? is equal to 0. So now a of the quadratic, ये a अलग है, ठीक है, क्वाड्रेटिक का ax square plus bx plus c का ac का वैल्यू जो है, इसका मतलब कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू कॉन्स्टेंट टर्म इज माइनस ऑफ a प्लस 3 इंटू a माइनस 1, और यू कैन राइट एज a प्लस 3 इंटू 1 माइनस a लिख सकते हैं. सो द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दीज टू इज a प्लस 3 इंटू 1 माइनस a. यही दोनों का सम कितना है बाय लक? द सम ऑफ दीज टू इज टर्निंग आउट टू बी 4. देखिए विच इज b. इसका मतलब हमारा स्प्लिटिंग हो गया. This implies x square 4x को a plus 3 into x plus 1 minus a into x plus a plus 3 into 1 minus a is equal to 0. ये माइनस को आप a minus 1 को दे दीजिए, वो 1 minus a हो जाएगा. क्लियर? This implies x times x plus a plus 3 plus 1 minus a times x plus a plus 3 is equal to 0, which implies x plus 1 minus a times x plus a plus 3 is equal to 0, which implies x is equal to a minus 1 or minus of a plus 3. देखिए हो गया. So these are the two values of x. So I'll encourage you to do this using quadratic formula also. एक बार करके देखेंगे. x is equal to minus b, that is minus 4 plus or minus square root of b square. 4 square is 16. Okay, b square minus 4 into a is 1, c is minus of this, so ये प्लस कर लेता हूं. a square plus 2a minus 3 by 2a is 2. That is equal to minus 4 plus or minus root of, ध्यान दे दीजिए, 4a square. 4 into 2 is 8a. 16 minus 12 plus 4 divided by 2. देखिए यहाँ 4 कॉमन आएगा. That is equal to minus 4 plus or minus 2 अगर बाहर ले लिया तो a square plus 2a plus 1 by 2, which is equal to minus 4 plus or minus 2 times, this is a plus 1 whole square. If you see, a square plus 2a plus 1 is a plus 1 whole square. Square root किया तो a plus 1 by 2. So एक 2 cancel कर लिया तो, so minus 2 plus or minus of a plus 1. That is equal to minus 2 plus a plus 1 or minus 2 minus of a plus 1. That is equal to, so minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 plus a, और minus 2 minus a minus 1 minus 3 minus a. दोनों same answers आया. You can very clearly see that both the answers are same. A minus 1, a minus 1. Minus of 3 plus a, minus of 3 plus a. So कोई भी method से करिए, you'll always get the same answers. Next question में जाएंगे. 3x square plus 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. सॉल्व करना है. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square is 25 minus 4 into 3 into 1 by 2a is 6. That is equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 25 minus 12 कितना है 13 by 6. So minus 5 plus or minus root 13 by 6 is the answer. So these are the two solutions of this given equation. Next, इस इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करने के लिए बोल रहे हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज ए इक्वेशन हुज कोएफिशिएंट्स आर लिटिल कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. सो हम पहला क्या करेंगे, लेट अस ट्राई टू डू दिस स्टेप बाय स्टेप. सो फर्स्ट डी का वैल्यू निकाल देता हूं. b square minus 4ac. b square is 81 times a plus b whole square minus 4ac is 4 times 9 times 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square. That is equal to, अगर 9 कॉमन ले लेता हूं मैं, so 9 times a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 4 times 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square is equal to 9 times 9a square minus 8a square. So एक a square बचेगा. 9b square minus 8b square is plus b square. 9 2s are 18ab minus 20ab, which is minus 2ab, which is simply 9 times a minus b whole square. This is the value of discriminant. Discriminant का मतलब b square minus 4ac. So what are the roots? X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of discriminant by 2a. This is the formula for the roots. That is equal to 9 times a plus b. देखिए minus b is minus of minus plus 9 times a plus b plus or minus square root of discriminant इसका square root 3 times a minus b by 2 times a is 18. So that is equal to, अगर प्लस कंसिडर किया तो 9a plus 3a 12a, 9b minus 3b plus 6b by 18, और माइनस कंसिडर किया तो 9a minus 3a is 6a, 9b plus 3b is plus 12b by 18. 6 अगर कैंसिल किया तो so 2a plus b by 3 or a plus 2b by 3. So these are the two roots of this given equation. So इस क्वेश्चन में एक इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग आप नोटिस करना है. डायरेक्टली मैं फॉर्मूला से स्टार्ट नहीं किया, फर्स्ट मैं क्या किया, डिस्क्रिमिनेंट का अलग सा सिंप्लीफिकेशन किया मैंने. So once I simplified the discriminant, then I have put it in the actual formula. So this increases the elegance of your solution. डायरेक्टली भी स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर इतना लिख सकता हूं, बट देखने में अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. So solve it in 2 steps. Easy. So why did I do that? Initially I have observed that the coefficients are complicated. So I have guessed that my simplification will be complicated also. So इसलिए मेरा simplification मैं steps में किया हूं. So next question. इसको solve करना है. You have to solve this equation. So again, doesn't look like quadratic on the face, but आप LCM लेके देख लीजिए, ये quadratic बन जाएगा. So LCM is x plus 1 into x plus 2. So ऊपर x plus 2 plus 2 times x plus 1 is equal to 4 by x plus 4. This implies 3x 2 plus 2 plus 4 by x square plus x plus 2x is 3x plus 2 is equal to 4 by x plus 4. Cross multiplication कर लीजिए. So x plus 4 times 3x plus 4 is equal to 4 times x square plus 3x plus 2. This implies bracket multiplication 3x square plus 12x plus 4x plus 16x plus 4 into 4 is 16 is equal to 4x square plus 12x plus 8. So this implies 4x square minus 3x square x square, 12x minus 16x is minus 4x, 8 minus 16 is minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is a quadratic equation again. इसका solution क्या है? X is equal to minus b plus r minus root of b square minus 4ac minus 4 into minus 8 plus 32 by 2a. So 4 plus r minus square root of 48 by 2. 48 is 16 into 3. So 4 plus r minus 4 root 3 by 2, which is equal to 2 plus r minus 2 root 3. So 2 plus r minus 2 root 3 is the answer. So these are the roots of this equation. So is the working clear? Next question में जाएंगे. So again you're asked to find the nature of the roots. So nature of the roots के लिए discriminant निकालना है. b square इसका square 4 times a plus b whole square minus 4 times c is 1, a is 2 times a square plus b square. So 4 अगर common लिया तो so a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 2a square minus 2b square, which is equal to 4 times minus a square minus b square plus 2ab. So एक minus common लिया तो a square plus b square minus 2ab, that is equal to minus 4 times a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square is always positive. 4 is positive, but you have a negative sign before that. So this is always less than 0, which implies the roots are discriminant negative है तो roots का nature क्या है? Roots are imaginary or complex. Clear? Next, root 2x square minus 3 by root 2x plus 1 by root 2. Discriminant is equal to b square, इसका square क्या है? 9 by 2 minus 4 into a is root 2, c is 1 by root 2. So 9 by 2 minus 4, 1 by 2, greater than 0. Hence roots are real and distinct. Hence the roots are real and distinct. Easy?